Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cinematic Swap and I hope you're all doing extraordinary. Now, just like my last video, ये वीडियो के एंड में भी होगा सिनेमैटिक पार्ट एंड सपोज अगर आपने पिछले वीडियो का भी सिनेमैटिक पार्ट मिस कर दिया हो तो प्लीज़ पहले वो वीडियो जाके देख लीजिए सो दैट you do not miss all the types of cinematic videos which I make at the end of every travel vlog. So stay tuned till the end. This time I traveled to Khindsi Lake, which is situated near Ramtek. It is almost 50 kilometers from Nagpur and it takes almost 1.5 hours to reach there. Buses and other transport services are also available from Nagpur to Ramtek. It is an enormous lake which spans over 6.5 kilometers in length and 3.5 kilometers in width. This is an earth-filled spillway reservoir surrounded by verdant forest. It is also known as India's largest boating center and offers various activities including water sports and children's play area. With a value for money of entry fee of rupees 25 and amount of fees ranging from 75 to 150 depending upon the type of activity that you're interested in. I'm certain you will have a moment of bliss on this location. Apart from Khindsi Lake, there are numerous places where you can visit and have a really good time, including Ramtek Gad Mandir, Shantinath Digambar Jain Temple, Kapur Baoli, Totla Do Dam and many more. Alright, now here comes a part which I'm always excited about and here it comes in 3, 2, 1.